Place square nut into cartridge spring holder. Insert the cartridge spring holder into the roll tube. Align the square nut with hole in roll tube, then fully tighten Allen bolt. Repeat process for opposite side. Insert the black spring on the left side and the red spring on the right side with the marked tab facing out. Slide spool onto end of roll tube according to the L or R marking. Turn while pushing until the spring engages in roll tube and the spring tab locks into the spool. Repeat process for opposite side. Slide the spacer on cartridge and secure with clevis and cotter pins. For remaining installation, refer to standard instructions.